Ukrainian armed forces have successfully destroyed a rare Russian mobile air defense system known as Gibka-S on the Avdiivka front, according to Military. Video footage captured the moment a Gibka-S air defense missile turret, mounted on a Tiger M armored vehicle, was targeted and blown up by Ukrainian forces. The Gibka-S air defense missile turret, derived from the maritime 3M47 Gibka complex, is equipped to carry up to 4 Igla-type surface-to-air missiles, providing point defense against a variety of aerial threats. Designed for short-range engagements, the Gibka-S is capable of targeting aircraft, helicopters, drones, cruise missiles, and high-precision weapon systems operating at low altitudes. Armed with Igla-S, or Verba missiles, the Gibka-S system boasts a consistent engagement range of up to 6.5 kilometers and an altitude coverage of 4.5 kilometers. Unconfirmed reports suggest that the Gibka-S system was officially adopted by the Russian ground forces in 2022, prior to the full-scale invasion of Ukraine.